guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove glue stains after you apply your press-ons. So here I have my glue. It's super strong. Be careful when you use it. Make sure you apply a little bit. I have water, cuticle oil, and a buffer. I use my cuticle oil to get rid of the glue residue, and then I buff it out, then boom.
Hello, this is a really nice tip to how to remove super glue. Just grab a simple shaver, make your hand wet, use hot water if it's possible. Start shaving your hands, really like simple movements, really gentle, no rush. So scrub. You can see that I started with my thumbnails, that was really thick glue, and then was going off really easily. After that, like I did all the fingers, and then was all done. There you go, really easy.
How to remove super glue off your fingers. I'm going to be doing whoever has commented what they want me to do next. So I'm just going to super glue my fingers. Just gonna let this dry. Don't you just hate it when it's like dry and it gets all weird and like you have to touch screens and it's Anyway, what we'll be needing is nail polish remover, and that's it. Get a teaspoon or the middle bit and just plop your finger in there, like just leave it in there for a bit and it will start to come off. And get something hard like a hairbrush, get your finger across it so then the rest of it comes off. And then soak your finger in for another 1 minute. Just soak it in. Hope this helped. Bye!